We would like to show you the integration of OpenText Content Server and SAP Business ByDesign made by entplexit Germany. In general, SAP Business ByDesign and OpenText Content Server are very powerful. But certainly you missed an efficient and easy way how to access all documents stored in the content server. So have a look at our concept, which is an easy and efficient way to access all documents, emails and other information out of Business ByDesign, and they are stored on the content server. ByDesign and content server have a special focus and their own functionality. Despite this, each system has its own data pool that is isolated from each other, and users have to change the application in order to access data from the other application. This leads to problems. Beside the fact to change the applications, users have also to find the relevant information, either by navigating, filtering or search. This is the traditional approach, inefficient access to information. I will just demonstrate you how this looks like. We have a look now on the application SAP Business ByDesign in the project Almica HP73. Let's assume the following situation. The user is working on this project and wants to access a file which is stored on the OpenText Content Server. In order to access the information he is looking for, he has to change to the application OpenText Content Server. Furthermore, there are many projects on the content server. The user has to navigate through different folders to find the relevant information and file. This is time-consuming. Well, that was the traditional approach. The entplexit approach is to access all documents, emails and other information out of SAP Business ByDesign in a context-sensitive and fully integrated way. I will show you how this looks like. So we are back in SAP Business ByDesign in the module Project Management. Once the user has chosen a project, he can directly see how many documents and emails are stored on the content server to this corresponding project. If the user opens the project overview, he is able to see the different folders with the amount of documents and emails which are stored on the OpenText Content Server. Furthermore, the users have access to the functionality of the OpenText Content Server integrated inside the user interface of ByDesign. If a user is looking for a specific file in a folder, he can just open it and have a preview without changing the application. Of course, there's also the functionality to download and open the file out of Business ByDesign. If the user wants to, he can also open the corresponding folder on the content server with one click. By this way, users have access to all functions of the content server without changing the application. Well, this integration has a lot of benefits. The users will be more efficient because the information base inside SAP Business ByDesign is increased. Also, the users have not to change their main application and they do not have to search the relevant information. So we believe we have combined the best of the two worlds. Business ByDesign for operational excellence, which manages company-wide your workflows and transactions, and the content server as your central information repository, which covers strictly and company-wide specific governance and compliance regulations. So please visit the microsite for more information about the integration of SAP Business ByDesign and OpenText Content Server.